Best folding phones. Are you looking for the best folding phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best folding phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Motorola Razr Plus is a modern take on the classic flip phone, combining innovative design with powerful performance. Tailored for US markets, this unlocked version offers versatility with carrier compatibility and cutting-edge features. The standout feature is its foldable design, which showcases a compact form factor and a premium midnight blue finish. The device unfolds to reveal a stunning, seamless display and folds compactly for portability. Its 50MP main camera delivers sharp, vibrant photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions, catering to both casual and creative photography needs. Powered by a robust processor and equipped with 12GB of RAM, the Razr Plus handles multitasking, apps, and media playback effortlessly. Its 256GB of internal storage offers ample space for photos, apps, and files. The device is designed for modern connectivity, ensuring a smooth experience for calls, browsing, and streaming. Its user-friendly interface integrates well with Android features, offering customization and productivity tools. The Motorola Razr Plus combines iconic style with modern technology, making it a standout choice for users seeking a unique, high-performing smartphone that blends nostalgia with innovation. Number 2. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a flagship Android smartphone combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek foldable design. Unlocked for compatibility with most carriers, it provides versatility and premium features in a futuristic form factor. The standout feature is its foldable display, offering a seamless, immersive experience when unfolded, while maintaining a compact form when closed. The obsidian finish gives the phone a premium, modern aesthetic. Powered by Google's Gemini processor, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold ensures fast, efficient performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. The phone's advanced triple-rear camera system delivers stunning photography and video capabilities, excelling in diverse lighting conditions. Google's renowned computational photography enhances images with clarity and vivid detail. The foldable design enables hands-free video capture, perfect for content creators and casual users alike. With 256GB of storage, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers ample room for apps, photos, and files, while the integration with Android ensures a smooth, intuitive user experience. Google's software ecosystem enhances productivity with features like real-time transcription, smart home controls, and seamless cloud integration. Overall, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a powerful, versatile device that merges innovative hardware with Google's signature software excellence, making it a top choice for tech enthusiasts and professionals seeking cutting-edge functionality in a foldable design. Number 3. The OnePlus Open is a premium foldable Android smartphone offering high-end features and performance in a sleek, versatile design. Available in Voyager Black, this US factory-unlocked device supports dual SIM functionality, making it ideal for professionals and frequent travelers. Its foldable design features a 120Hz fluid display, delivering a smooth, immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp visuals, perfect for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. The flexible form factor enhances portability without sacrificing screen real estate. The Hasselblad camera system is a standout feature, offering professional-grade photography with superior color accuracy and detail. It caters to both casual and advanced photographers, excelling in a variety of lighting conditions. Powered by 16GB of RAM and a large 512GB of internal storage, the OnePlus Open ensures exceptional multitasking capabilities and ample space for apps, files, and media. The device is fueled by a robust 4,805 mAh battery, supporting 67W fast charging for quick power-ups, minimizing downtime. The phone is built on the latest Android platform, offering a user-friendly experience with customizations and features unique to OnePlus. Its lightweight yet durable design ensures it's both stylish and practical for everyday use. Overall, the OnePlus Open is a cutting-edge smartphone that blends innovation, power, and versatility. It's an excellent choice for users seeking a foldable device with flagship performance, professional camera capabilities, and advanced multitasking features. Number 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone designed for versatility, productivity, and innovation. Unlocked for use with most carriers, this flagship device boasts a sleek silver shadow finish and a large foldable display, offering an expansive screen experience ideal for multitasking, streaming, and gaming. With 256 gigabytes of storage, the phone provides ample space for apps, photos, and media. The advanced AI features, including Circle to Search, enhance usability by enabling intuitive information lookup. The hands-free live interpreter feature provides real-time translation, making it a valuable tool for travelers and multilingual users. The AI-powered photo editing tools simplify creating professional-quality images by enabling quick and precise edits. These features, combined with Samsung's intuitive Android interface, deliver a user-friendly and highly functional experience. Built for power users, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 combines durability with portability, featuring a robust hinge mechanism and a premium design. The device is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 stands out as a powerful and versatile smartphone, offering innovative AI capabilities and a large, immersive screen in a stylish, foldable form. It's an excellent choice for professionals, tech enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a futuristic mobile experience. Number 5. The Motorola Razr Spritz Orange is a stylish, modern take on the classic flip phone, offering advanced features and portability. Designed for the US market, this unlocked smartphone is compatible with most carriers, ensuring flexibility and convenience. The standout design element is its compact foldable form factor, which easily fits into pockets while providing a large, vibrant display when unfolded. The Spritz Orange finish adds a bold, unique touch, making it a visually striking choice. Powered by robust hardware, the Razr features 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, delivering smooth performance and ample space for apps, photos, and files. Its 50MP rear camera captures sharp, detailed photos and videos, while the advanced software ensures vibrant colors and clarity in various lighting conditions. The device is lightweight and ergonomically designed for comfortable handling. Motorola's intuitive interface enhances usability, making it easy to navigate apps, multitask, and stay connected. Overall, the Motorola Razr Spritz Orange is an ideal option for users seeking a blend of nostalgic design and modern smartphone capabilities. It's perfect for those who value portability, style, and reliable performance in a uniquely compact package.